2025 Nissan Rogue, starting at $30,620. It's easy to get lost in a crowd, but the 2025 Nissan Rogue maintains its identity by providing upscale interior styling and accommodations that almost feel a class above its rivals. Its comfortable seats, smooth ride, and competitive driver assistance tech are sure to help the Rogue resonate with many buyers, as long as they don't expect it to cut and run with sportier entries like the Mazda CX-50 and the Volkswagen Tiguan. The Rogue's 201 HP turbocharged three-cylinder engine does its best, but it just doesn't have the same verve as other compact crossovers with turbo 4s. On the upside, the Rogue's powertrain goes about its job quietly without disturbing the peace inside the cabin. So, while the Rogue has all the compact SUV hallmarks in place, 2 rows with room for 5, available all-wheel drive, and a reasonable amount of cargo space, just know that it will never quicken your pulse on curvy back road. The inline-3 is mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT) and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. On the road, the Rogue delivers a compliant ride that's agreeable for commuting and road tripping, but its blasé cornering attitude hasn't earned it any fans among our staff. That impression hasn't changed. During our off-road test drive of the 2025 Rogue Rock Creek, we found that this more rugged-looking trim level offers only a bit of extra rock crawling capability compared with the standard model. It has the same ground clearance and lacks skid plates for underbody protection, but the addition of hill descent control and all-terrain tires helps it get around in the dirt somewhat. 0 to 60 mph times. During our first test drive of the 3-cylinder Rogue, we noted that it felt perkier than the previous versions that were powered by a non-turbo 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. But car and driver testing revealed it required 8.0 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour, only a 0. On the other hand, its comfortable and quiet interior will make mindless commuting a tad more bearable. What's new for 2025? Nissan gives the 2025 Rogue a hint of rugged credibility with its Rock Creek treatment. Dubbed the Rock Creek Edition, it adds functional upgrades including all-terrain tires, a tubular roof rack, a hill descent control driving program, a new camera system with off-road views, heated front seats, and a 12-volt outlet in the cargo area. Nissan's ProPilot 2.1 system is now available on top trims, enhancing the Rogue's driver assistance tech by adding speed, braking, and lane control to its adaptive cruise control system. A 360-degree camera system has been added to certain trims. The 2025 Rogue also includes the new Nissan Maintenance Care program that includes the first 3 oil gel changes for up to 2 years, or 24,000 miles. Engine, transmission, and performance. All Rogues are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder that makes 201 horsepower.